In this video, we will show you how to search in Google Sheets. To search in Google Sheets, it's very easy. First, the easiest way, we can using Ctrl plus F button on our keyboard. If you press Ctrl plus F button on our keyboard, you can see here, there is appear field to find some in the Google Sheets. For example, we find or search the text, okay? You can see there it's highlights the text there on the table, and the method on number 2, we can using menu edit in here and select find and replace, but this is appear the bigger pop-up, so you can using what is comfortable for you. Okay, you can click find like this, and for example find is text, and the highlight is also little different. If using Ctrl plus F button, the highlight is blocking the cell, you can see there. And that's all tutorial how to search in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.